Good morning students. In the last video we learned about the types of set. The next concept is Venn diagram. What is the meaning of Venn diagram? Any of the ideas or concept understand better way with the help of diagrams. British logician John Venn develops and used this idea for the sets. Therefore it is called Venn diagram. So how we can say this could be help us to understand with the help of diagram. For an example, if I said there is a group of English vowels of alphabet. So we are getting which kinds of the elements should be come in that, we are little bit confused. But the same thing if you are going to represent by the diagram, so set A is equal to, as I said, English vowels of the alphabet. So A, E, I, O, U, and this set A should be represented by the diagram like in the rectangle way. This is a rectangle. Mostly we are using any of the closed figure for the diagram of set. So first I have to write the name of set A, and the rest one element of set A like A, E, I, O, U, anywhere. So we can say this is a set A, and this A, E, I, O, U are the element of this set A. So we are getting clearly the vowels of English alphabet. Take another examples. Set B is equal to, suppose we have few numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The natural number till 5. Again we want to represent it by the diagram. Here we use the circle. First name the diagram, that is B. Then write element of the diagram sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can write anywhere within this diagram. So this way we are using the diagrams to show the given sets. So that is called the Venn diagrams. We are using mostly to representing the relations in the sets. The next concept is subset. If A and B are two sets such that every element of set B is an element of set A, then set B is said to be the subset of set A. Once again, if A and B are two sets such that every elements of set B is an element of set A, then set B is said to be the subset of set A. Take an examples here. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a set A and 1 to 7 natural number are the element of set A. We have the another set, that is set B. Here we have 5, 6, 7, only 3 elements. So can we say these examples are satisfying this definition or not? Here in the definition we have every element of set B. Every element of set B is an element of set A. So as I said, we are using the Venn diagram. So just write it. We have set A, rectangular way set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are written set A and represented by the name in the rectangle way. Second, we have the set B, 5, 6, 7. Can we say 5, 6, 7 is already written in the set A? Yes, we are able to see 5, 6, 7. So we are denoting this by this circle and write the name of this second set, that is B. So we can say this is fulfilling the statement is written in our definition. All the element of set B already included in the set A. So this is called set B is a subset of set A. How we are going to write? B is a subset of A. This is a way we are going to write in symbolic form. B is subset of A. This way we are going to read it. B is a subset of set A. Now we have few special things, few notes what we have to remember regarding the subset. The first one, every set is a subset of itself. Means we can say every set is a subset of itself. Suppose I can say the set A, there is a set A, we have the 1 to 7 element in set A. So can we say this set is a subset of set A? Yes, that means set A is a subset of set A. So every set is a subset of itself. The second one is empty set. Empty set is a subset of every set. Subset of every set means empty set we are represented by this is a subset of every set. So we can say, take example of A. So we can say empty set is a subset of set A. Can we say? Yes, as because empty set means there is no any element in that, and here we have the set A, in that we have 1 to 7 elements. So the next one is if A is a subset of set B, then if A is a subset of set B, then we can say and B is a subset of set A, then we can say A is equal to B. Then A is equal to B. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of set A, so A is equal to B. The same way, if we have A is equal to B, then A is a subset of B and B is a subset of set A. This way, these four things we have to remember regarding the subset. Now proceed for the next one, that is universal set. Universal set, a suitably chosen non-empty set of which all the sets under consideration are the subset of that set is called universal set. Once again, a suitably chosen non-empty set of which all the sets under consideration are the subset of that set is called universal set. For an example, if we can say we have a lot of the set. We have a set 1, set A, our school, the students of our school. Set B is a class 10th A. Set B is a set C is a class 9th A. So this way we have a lot of the sets. Yes. So we can say the all the element of the B and C are already included in the set A. Yes, as because whenever we are talking about the school, so already the student of the every class are included in that. Take one more example for that to understand better way. Set A is equal to the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have the set A, we have the set B. Set B 1, 2, 3, 4, we have the set C 6, 7, 8. So here we have the three sets, set A, set B and set C. In the set A we have 1 to 10 numbers. In the set B we have 1 to 4 numbers. In the set C we have 6, 7, 8. These three elements. Now how we can say which are the universal set out of these three? The set which include the other all elements of other sets are called the universal set. We have to understand with the help of diagram. Here we have the suppose set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way we have the set A. This is a set A. We are written. Now proceed for the set B. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we say? Now we got the set B. Yes, we got the set B. And set C 6, 7, 8. Can we say we got the set C? So we can say all the element of set B as well as set C already included in the set A. So set A is an universal set. Set A is an universal set. Here we have the two notes regarding universal sets. The universal set denoted by U. The universal set denoted by U. So here we have to denote this universal set by the U. The second one, it is generally represented by the rectangle, as because the universal set included other element of the other set. So we are generally representing the universal set by the rectangle. You can see in our example we are using rectangle for the set A, that is already we can see universal set, and the second set B we used squares, and the fourth set C we use the oval set. Next concept is complement of set. Let U be the universal set. U be the universal set if A is a subset. A is a subset of the set U. Then the set of elements of U which are not contained in the set A is called the complement of set A. Once again, let U be the universal set, and if A is a subset of set U, then the set of element of U which are not contained in the set A is called the complement of set A, and it is denoted by like this, the complement of set A. Take an example to understand better way. As in our definitions, we assume set U is a universal set. So U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, set A is our 3, 4, 5, 6. This way we are written. So that we have to understand with the help of diagram. So set A, it is our universal set. We are going to write the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are written the universal set U in the diagram way. The second is a set A. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we say this is a set? This is a set A. This is a set A. Yes. So we have to write the name set A. So according to our definition, element of set U which are not contained in the set A, means which are not contained in the set A, that remains 1, 2, 7 and set A. 1, 2, 7 and 8 which are not contained in the set A. So these all four elements are the complement of set A. So we can say that then we can write complement of set A is equal to 1, 2, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. This way we can say these are the complement of the set A. Got it? Once again, if we are taking U as a universal set and A is a subset. A is a subset means all the element of the set A already included in the set U. So it is a subset, and which are not contained of the set U in the set A is called the sub. Next important point is the complement of set A. Once again, the complement of set A, it is nothing but complement of set A is the set A itself. Means the complement of set A is the set A itself. We have to understand in our own example. We want to find the complement of this complement of set A. The same way what we get. Except this, out of the universal set, except this 1, 2, 7, 8. So 1, 2, we know it. 3, we are needed. 4, yes. 5, yes. 6, yes. 7, no. 8, no. So 3, 4, 5, 6 is the complement of set A. That is nothing but if you see here 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 in the both complement of complement A and the set A. The same way here we learn the complement of set A is the set A itself. Let's start practice set 1.3. Question number 1. If set A is given, set B is given, set C is given and set D is given, then which of the following statements are true and which are false? Here we have the sub questions. We are going to decide whether given statements are true or false by checking from these given four sets. The first sub question is given C is a subset of B. When it is possible, if all the element of C is present in B, then only we can say C is a subset of B. Let's check. Where is the set C? Here we have the B and D. So whether both are present in the set B, then only it will be possible. Let's check. B is here. No, we don't have B. Just we have the D. Means we can say element B of C is missing in the set B. So set C is not the subset of B. So it is false. Reason. Element, what we are not getting? B. Element B of C is not in B. So therefore it is false. Let's move for the second one. Is A is a subset of D? Here we have the set A. We have the element A, B, C, D, E. And in the D we have just A and E. Just A and E means B, C and D. These three are missing in the set D. So it is not the subset. So false. What the reason? As because element B, C and D are not in D. Therefore it is false. Now the next one is D is a subset of B. So in the D we have A and E. Let's check what we have in the B. We have E. Yes, but we don't have A in the B. So A is missing in the B. So it is also false. Why? As because element, what we are missing? A. So element A is not in B. So therefore it is false. Let's move for ahead. If D is a subset of A, again we have to check. In the D we have A and E, and in the A, yes, we have the A, we are getting, here we have E, here also we have E, means A is a, or both the element of D is present in the A, means it is a subset, so it will be true, as because all the element of D are in A. So this is true. The next one is B is a subset of A. Let's check. We have the C, D, E, F. So starting from the C we have in here, we have in the A also. D we have. E here we have, in the A also we have. But here we have F in the B, we don't have in the A. So means F is missing in the A. So B is not the subset of A. So it is false. Why? As because element, which element is missing? F is not in A. So therefore it is a false statement. The next one is C is a subset of A. Let's check. Here we have the B and here also we have B. Here we have D. Here also we are having the D. Means both the element of C present in the set A. That means it is true. So as because all the elements of C are in A, therefore it is true statement. So this way, with the help of this set, we are going to identify whether the given statement are true or false. Next, proceed to the question number 2. Question number 2 is here. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20. Set of natural number from 1 to 20 as universal set, and so set X and Y using Venn diagram. Here we have the two sub questions. We have to take universal set 1 to 20. After that, convert this into listing method, and we have to show by the Venn diagram. Let's start. The first one. Universal set is equal to, as per according to our question, we have to take 1 to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this way till 20. We are taking the universal set. Now X is equal to, there is given X such that X is an element of n means natural number. X is a natural number and more than, X is more than 7, less than 15. More than 7 means it start from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Less than 15 means till 14. So this is the set X. Now these two we have to show by using Venn diagram. As we learn, mostly we are using the rectangle for universal set. We are using rectangle for universal set. Universal set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can write any number anywhere within this rectangle. As because this rectangle is a set U, means universal set. Now we have to write the X. Where is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Can we show this by oval? So this is the set X. This way we can show our given statement by using the Venn diagram. Second one is given. Again we have to take universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 20. Set Y is given. They are saying Y such that Y is the element of n. Y is the prime numbers from 1 to 20. So we have to start prime numbers. Prime numbers are 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers those who are divisible by 1 and itself only. So we have the universal set as well as set Y. Now we have to show by using the Venn diagram. Again for universal set we are using the rectangle. This is universal set. The element of universal set is given here 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This way we can show the universal set by Venn diagram. Now the next one is set Y of the 1 to 20 prime numbers. There is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Can we say this way? This rectangle within the universal set having the set Y. So this way we can say this is the universal set and all the element of the Y is included in the set U. So we can say also Y is a subset of U and the first one X is a subset of universal set. This is homework for you all. The question number 3, we have the universal set P. We have the two sub questions. So the set U, P and P dash by Venn diagram. Second, verify. We have to complement of the complement set P is equal to P. What we discussed in the definitions at the time. Question number 4. Set A is given. Write 3 subset of set. Any 3 you can write by your own choice. Question number 5, sub question 1. Here we have the two sub questions. Write the subset relations between the following sets. Here we have the 5 sets and we have to write the relation between these 5 sets. P is the set of residents in Pune. M is the set of residents in Madhya Pradesh. I is the set of residents in Indore. B is the set of residents in India. H is the set of residents in Maharashtra. In the sub question 1 we have to show the relation between these two, and the sub question 2, which set from above example can be chosen as the universal set. Means out of these 5 which can be the universal set. We have to continue the next subtopic in next video.